Hey, Lee Caldwell here. Let's talk credit. Listen, I can't tell you how many people I speak with on a daily basis who have credit issues but are doing absolutely nothing because they don't know what they can do legally. They don't know what leg they have to stand on legally, so they're doing nothing. I get asked, hey, what about student loans or repossessions or child support? Or what if the debt is mine? Or what if the item is removed? Can it come back? And the list goes on with the questions. And so what I've done is created a PDF courtesy of MomentumSociety.net. And what you'll do is you'll enter your information. And once you do, you'll receive this downloadable PDF, and it addresses some of the common myths that you hear of regarding credit. If you have additional questions, go ahead and reach out to me. I'm at Lee Caldwell Inc. That's LeeCaldwellInc.com. And go to the contact page, fill out the form, and just put your question that you have for me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Hey, listen, I look forward to connecting with you and answering any of your credit issues or concerns. Have a great one. Bye-bye.